Welcome to 34 Bluemer Road in Southampton, Massachusetts, a beautifully renovated home right across the street from Hamden Pond, where you can launch your kayak, paddleboard, or boat right across the street. Step into this 3-season porch, the perfect spot to relax, sip your morning coffee, or enjoy quiet evenings looking across at the lake. From here, you're welcomed into the heart of the home, a bright, modern kitchen with brand new appliances, sleek finishes, and a warm, open flow perfect for everyday living. The updated bathroom features fresh tile work and convenient laundry hookups. Just down the hall, the bedrooms and the open concept offer all new flooring, great natural light, and a peaceful vibe that makes the entire home feel inviting and calm. The open concept living area is filled with windows and sunlight, and the beautiful fireplace adds charm and warmth, creating the perfect space to unwind, entertain, or simply enjoy the view of the lake across the street. Let's not forget all that extra closet space. When you head downstairs, you'll find a spacious basement with one finished room. This room would be great for a home office, a gym, playroom, or whatever suits your style. There's plenty of additional storage and potential throughout the lower level. Outside, the home sits on just under a ½ acre and features a fully updated exterior, including a brand new roof, brand new vinyl siding on both the house and the garage, new paved driveway, brand new walkways. Additional upgrades on top of that include a brand new septic system, all new windows, privacy fencing, and a full conversion to city water. With modern updates inside and out, Bluemer Rd is truly the best convenient lake life you could ever imagine.